Hi, my name is Ogechi. You're welcome to this training session for today. Today we'll be learning how to produce liquid air freshener that lasts long in Nigeria. But before we jump into production, let's look at some safety measures that we'll need to take while producing. Thank you.
Hello, good day. My name is Ogechi. I work for Glomajos Enterprises and I'm also the lead trainer at Glomajos Skills Acquisition Center. Yeah, what do we do at Glomajos? We produce very effective and also very affordable household cleaning products. We also train those interested in our line of business and we also guide them to set up their businesses. We've been doing this for about 5 years. Today we'll be looking at producing air freshener that could be used to freshen up your rooms, your offices, schools, hospitals, just to make the atmosphere smell good and fresh. Today we'll be producing 2.5 liters of air freshener. What are the apparatus that we'll be needing for this production? Basically, we'll be needing a mixing bowl. We're using this as a mixing bowl. This is our stirrer, and these are our measuring cups. And then this is our bottles to fill them in case you want to sell. You can buy them just this way in the market. They made them simple for you just to fill them. And what are the chemicals that we'll be needing for this production? I said we'll be producing 2.5 liters. The first is our perfume, our fragrance. This is 1/8 liter. To produce 5 liters, you'll be needing 1/4. The cup is 1/4. But because we'll be producing 2.5, we'll be using 1/8 liters of fragrance. I combine 2 fragrances here. I use ambipur and lavender. You can choose to combine whichever fragrance of your choice. And this is methanol. It is 1/2 liter. Methanol, it is 1/2 liter. You can also use this 1/2 liter of methanol even if you're producing 5 liters of air freshener. It is just to make your production look bright and fine. It is methanol 1/2 liter. And I have my tezapon. I'll just be using like 1 spoon. I'll just be using like 1 spoon of methanol, and then I have my color. Okay, so let's go into production proper. What do I do first? I'll take my tezapon. I'll be taking just 1 spoon of tezapon. I put it inside my production, my mixing bowl. Then I'll add my perfume. I'll add my perfume. Remember, I added tezapon 1 spoon, and I added my perfume, and I will stir very well. Until it is properly dissolved. Remember, I added just 1 spoon of tezapon, and I added my fragrance, and I'm stirring to make sure it is properly dissolved. Once I see that it has dissolved properly, I will just add my methanol, 1/2 liter of methanol. I'll add everything. Like I'm still seeing oil on top of my mixture. I'll mix and make sure that there is no oil. Let me add 1/2 spoon of tezapon so that the oil on top of it will disappear. Just a little bit of tezapon. Then I'll add my methanol. And also stir. And I'll just add my water, 2.5 liters of water. So you can see our air freshener is almost ready. The next thing we need to do is to add our color, but to do that you can add color the quantity you like to your chocolate. I always prefer to add it in a separate bottle, add water to it, dissolve it before pouring it into my mixture. I am using pink color like I said, so I'll just dissolve it a bit, then pour in and stir. You can see our air freshener is ready. Our air freshener is ready. So what do I do next? I just pour you can see how beautiful. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see how beautiful. So go ahead, get the chemicals that.
Thank you for listening in on the training on how to make air freshener. For more of such trainings, you can get my book, How to Produce Bar Soap and 9 Other Products from the Comfort of Your Home. The book is well explanative and simplified. In the book, you can learn how to produce bar soap, liquid soap, air freshener, bleach, liquid disinfectant like Izal, liquid antiseptic like Dettol, body spray, rat poison, and so on. 9 products that you will learn from the comfort of your home. You can get it via the